All right, what's up, YouTube? I'm gonna give you a tour of the new crib. Right here is the washer and dryer. 10-foot ceilings. This right here is a den. There's just kid stuff in there. This is gonna be my homie's room. He's got this beautiful view right here. The sun rises over here, okay? Big walk-in closet, you know, shelves, all that good stuff. This is how the bathrooms look. I want to wear my shoes in here. Another closet right there. It's a ton of closet space. Ton of cupboards. Here's the living room and the kitchen. So here's one of our balconies. Like I say, here's where the sun rises from. And then here's our other balcony. This is where the sun sets from. It sets around somewhere over there. So I'm trying to give y'all a view of how big this place really is. It's basically a 3-bedroom, you know. Here's the bathroom. This is the master bedroom. My homie said I can get the master bedroom because he has kids that sometimes come over on the weekends. So he wanted the room that's by the den if they wake up crying or something. So that's where the sun sets out there, you know. So sometimes you just gotta spend a little extra, y'all, to live better, you know. It's walk-in closet, big walk-in closet. You know, which honestly, in the past, you guys, like, I really kind of was like a fool against that and had enough money to really get out of the hood a long time ago and didn't. And it almost costed me my life, my car, my freedom, this, that, the other, all this shit recently too, though. You know, recently. It's not, I mean, plus all this shit that could happen in the past, getting shot, all type of shit, so I'm just done with the bullshit, man. You know? Done with the bullshit, man. But it's $3,000 a month to stay here. You know? But I like it. I'm happy, man. Shit, that's the tour, man. You know, back to the front door. You know? All right, y'all, I'm out.